Blessed day to everyone. I am JM Christian Val Pilariosa, a grade 12 UP student from FIPA Schools. As a proud Filipino born in Angono Rizal, I was fortunate enough to grow up in Cavite and then later on travel to Abu Dhabi. The Philippines, for me, is not just a birthplace, but it is also a vibrant art of our history, traditions, and also values. From the lively fiestas that we have to the unparalleled Bayanihan spirit, that is something to be proud of. At FIPA schools, I am being molded not only as a student, but as a leader and a servant. Here, I have learned to embrace diversity and showcase excellence in every field. With every award that I received, such as Best Impromptu Speaker and Student Leadership Award, I continue to prove that every young person has the power to bring change, not only to the small community, but also to the world. With every challenges and triumph that I face, I choose to fight and keep learning because as Rainer Maria Rilke once said, the purpose of life is to be defeated by greater and greater things. And that is my belief, to keep growing and learning despite the obstacles that we face, and to continue fostering unity despite our differences. Thank you for your time and for this opportunity. May my story serve as an inspiration for us to take pride in being a Filipino, no matter where we are in the world. Mabuhay ang kabataang Filipino. Maraming salamat po.